This is a high crime area, so we cannot leave anything open at any time outside. This is How We Made the Sound of Violet, day 4. Action. These are the scenes where we have the most people involved. Like, there'll be over 100 people today to create our church scenes. And we've asked them all to bring multiple changes of clothes because we're filming all the days, of course, on one day. But then when you see it through the magic of motion pictures, you will think you're watching multiple days, but it's really just one day. So hopefully I didn't ruin that part of the movie for you, but we're excited to have everyone here.
I am being an extra in a movie.
We are extras in a movie.
I'm an extra.
You're an extra?
Yeah.
What's the movie about?
So when I say action, you're just gonna start here. You're just gonna walk down the path and have some going. So she can come here. And then she's next to these stained glass windows. And then she could sit here. Let's put him back in the chair, the other one, and then just move it a little bit that way. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Where you are right now, that's good.
I told her we'd be here early. Maybe she came and left.
She's probably at her Church of the Holy Grail, sitting next to King Arthur.
Maybe.